Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make black seed oil that you use to treat thin hair, prevent premature gray hair, keep your hair soft and hydrated, and also help to regrow your hair. Continue watching. I'll be using fenugreek seed. Fenugreek is used in treating various scalp issues like dryness of the scalp, and also it helps to improve hair growth. It is high in protein, contains folic acid, vitamin A, C, and K. I'll be adding black seed. Black seed will help to stop hair fall, prevent premature gray hair, keep your hair soft and hydrate, and also help to regrow your hair. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of black seed. Adding all the seed, I'll cover the blender and blend, not too fine. Done blending, I'll be adding the blended mixture into a jar. I'll be adding some coconut oil. Coconut oil will help to stimulate your hair growth and also moisturize dry hair. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is very good because it will also help to moisturize your hair, reduce any scalp irritation. Oil. I will cover the jar and give it a good shake to mix properly. Way to infuse your oil without damaging all the nutrients. You can add hot water on a bowl, place the jar and allow it to infuse. Or you can place the double boiling method. Allow it to heat on a low heat for like 2 minutes. Then turn off the heat and allow the warm heat to draw out all the herb properties or nutrients into the oil. This will help the oil to infuse faster. You can strain and use or still allow it to infuse more, depending on what you like. Just massage the oil into your scalp. This oil will help to prevent premature graying, keep your hair soft and hydrated, and also stop hair fall. It will also help to regrow your hair. Thank you all for watching.